Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling core connectivity. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and sign into your My account in the My Assistant app. Once done, make sure the phone and My device share the same network band, usually 4 GHz. You must put the device into pairing mode. Hold the power button until the LED flashes. Now tap Add Device in the app. Follow on-screen model prompts. This immediate action gets both endpoints visible and ready, so you can move to configuration without delay. You now authorize and configure. Select the exact model shown in the app list. Once selected, grant permissions, location, microphone, and local network access to enable discovery and voice control. Then compare the device code displayed in the app with the LED or on-device code. When they match, accept to authorize. Next, assign a room and device name so voice commands target the right unit. Finally, set language and wake word preferences. This ensures accurate recognition and predictable behavior during everyday use. You finish by validating functionality. Say a simple command, "Hey My, what's the weather?" and listen for a response. If it works, try a follow-up routine to confirm multi-step commands. If nothing happens, reboot your phone and the My device, then reattempt pairing. Make sure the router is on 4 GHz and not using AP isolation. If problems persist, perform a factory reset per the manual and repeat setup. One key troubleshooting tip: always reboot first. It resolves most intermittent connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.